Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to play Bitmoji Paint on Snapchat. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Snapchat application. At the home page of your Snapchat, you need to tap on the chat section on bottom of your screen. Now you open the chat of the person with whom you want to play Bitmoji Paint. Here you need to tap on the rocket icon on bottom of your right screen. Now then you tap on the games option on bottom of your screen. Here you need to go in for searching the Bitmoji Paint. So you scroll to the down, then you go in for searching the Bitmoji Paint. As you can see, I have found the Bitmoji Paint. You tap in open the game. Now the game will begin. You will be able to play with your friends the Bitmoji Paint on Snapchat. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can play Bitmoji Paint on Snapchat. Thank you.